Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to solve this expression. What is the value for this expression? So let's solve this. So 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0. So 0 into 0 0. But this is incorrect answer because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, we have to first solve the parenthesis, means the bracket part, then exponent, then multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. In this you have to remember, for multiplication and division both have equal priorities, therefore we go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So what will be the correct answer? Let's solve this. So here subtraction and multiplication is there. So first we will solve the multiplication part. So 6 minus 6 6 are 36 minus 6. Then here both subtraction is there. So if more than one subtraction is there, so we go from left to right. So first we'll solve this. So 6 minus 36 minus 30 minus 6. So the correct answer is minus 36.